Today we're taking a detailed look at the Epson PowerLite L530U Long Throw 3 LCD projector, a high-performance projector built to meet the demands of classrooms, offices, and large spaces that need crisp, bright visuals. This model is designed for environments where clarity, brightness, and reliable color performance are essential. The projector features 5,200 lumens of brightness, which makes it ideal for spaces with ambient light. Unlike many projectors that require dimmed rooms, the L530U delivers clear images even in daylight conditions. The WXGA resolution, 1280 by 800 pixels, ensures sharp and legible visuals, making it perfect for presentations, graphs, and video content. Text is easy to read, and images remain sharp even when projected onto large screens from a distance. Epson's 3 LCD technology is at the heart of this projector. This system produces accurate colors and consistent brightness across the entire screen, without the rainbow effect that sometimes appears on single-chip projectors. This means every slide, movie, or image looks vibrant and natural, making it suitable for professional environments as well as entertainment setups. Connectivity is one of the strong points of the L530U. Dual HDMI ports allow for multiple high-definition devices to be connected simultaneously. There's also a VGA input for older laptops, along with USB ports that support direct media playback. The network control feature allows remote management of the projector, simplifying deployment in offices and educational institutions. This ensures flexibility and ease of use, even for large-scale setups. The lamp life is impressive, rated up to 20,000 hours in eco mode. This reduces replacement frequency and keeps operating costs low, which is essential for businesses and schools that use projectors daily. Maintenance is simple, with an easily accessible filter for quick cleaning, ensuring consistent performance over the long term. Flexibility in placement is another advantage. The projector features a 1.6x optical zoom and lens shift, allowing users to adjust the projected image both vertically and horizontally without moving the unit. This is especially helpful in ceiling-mounted installations or rooms where projector placement options are limited. There's no need for extensive keystone corrections, making setup faster and more precise. The L530U also includes advanced image adjustments, such as color brightness and uniformity settings, which keep every projection looking balanced and accurate. Whether displaying detailed charts, slides, or cinematic content, images remain consistent and visually appealing. Built-in audio is functional for small rooms, though larger environments will benefit from external speakers to achieve optimal sound. From a design perspective, the projector is sleek and professional. The white housing blends seamlessly into ceilings or walls, and the compact form factor makes installation unobtrusive. Its durable construction and thoughtful design indicate that this is a projector built to last. Overall, the Epson PowerLite L530U Long Throw 3 LCD projector combines high brightness, reliable color performance, and versatile installation options into a package suitable for professional and educational use. Its long lamp life, advanced connectivity, and ease of maintenance make it a practical choice for anyone who needs consistent performance and image quality. This projector is ideal for environments where clarity, color accuracy, and adaptability are critical. Whether it's for classrooms, conference rooms, or home theaters, the L530U delivers vibrant, sharp visuals without compromise. If you're looking to upgrade your projection setup, this model provides a dependable solution that handles presentations, videos, and images with equal excellence. For anyone ready to enhance their viewing or presentation experience, the Epson PowerLite L530U is a projector that offers long-term value, professional-grade quality, and versatility that adapts to any environment. If you want to purchase the Epson PowerLite L530U Long Throw 3 LCD projector, 5,200 lumens, WXGA, 1.6x optical zoom white, visit the link in the description below to get yours today.